Hey guys, welcome to another video of Hands Can Do It, So Can You. Today what I'm going to do is replace a HID bulb out of my 2013 GMC Acadia. It's going to be the driver's side. So what I found out is just doing some research and all that kind of stuff. I kind of pride myself on being able to figure out anything. Typical headlamp doesn't seem like much, but HID and GMCs are a little tricky. No information out there, so I hope this helps out a lot of people. There's a lot of information out for just standard bulbs, and standard bulbs are simple. You just quarter turn, pull it out, replace the bulb, put it in, quarter turn, you're done. Tricky part on the GMCs is getting in there and figuring it out, but the HID system is a little bit different, and I'll kind of walk you through it real fast. So first thing that I did is I basically I used a 3/32 Allen wrench basically to pop these off. There's 4 of them. Go into the wheel well, cock your wheel to the far right so you can get in there, but there's 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then as you can see, you just pull on it and it kind of opens up the area that you need. Next, look for this. This is a cap for the HID system, or just the lighting system in general. It's just your weather cap, basic quarter turn, and it pops right off. Little gasket to keep all the debris and weather out. Being that we live in Chicago, there's a lot of crap on the roads. So you can see up there, this is our system right up there. So I'm gonna reach up there and hopefully you guys can check it out. So I installed the new HID bulb in there, and it's not a typical quarter turn. What you have to do, there's a lever on both the right and left side of the bulb that you have to do a quarter turn. So it's not the bulb itself, it's the actual, it's like a clamping system that hopefully you can see it. On the right and on the left, and you just do a quarter turn, and then the whole system kind of pops out. So after me, yanking on it and cranking on it for a little bit, I just basically just kind of figured it out with just putting my hands up there and feeling it. So anyway, the next thing that I did is, these are high electricity. Here's the replacement. I don't know if you can see that. Okay, and this is the old bulb, but again you can see high voltage. So what I did is, just to make sure I didn't fry out the system or shock myself, is I replaced, or I undid the negative on the battery. So where that's located, if you don't know, is in the right behind the passenger seat down below. I'll show you real fast. Unscrew this, unscrew your floor mats, pop it up real fast, and then right underneath here, this actually pops up. It's pretty simple. You just give it a little yank and it pops up. But unscrew this, and then right underneath here is the negative. Just use just a wrench and just unscrew it, pop it up. What I did is I just put a pamphlet underneath, just to make sure it doesn't connect again by mistake if I move the vehicle or whatever the case may be. Then with that said, so then pretty simple, the cable is just unscrews from there. So you basically just pops up. There's a little lock mechanism right there. You just yank it straight out. The main thing is, when you're putting the bulb back in, is make sure you put it this way, so the wires are facing down. Again, when you pull it out, it pulls straight out like this. Replace it, make sure you put it right back in. Take the lever, and basically now you're going to go clockwise a quarter turn, and then that's it. So like I said, it just was a little kind of a pain in the butt, but kind of fun to figure out. So again, if hands can do it, that's me. So can you. Thanks for watching.